Hello everyone, this is Lucy and here I will show you how to delete sheets in your worksheet. So there are several methods to delete a worksheet. So the first one is to just right click on the sheet you want to delete, and here in the menu just click on delete and it will be deleted. So first I will tell you that if you delete a worksheet from your Excel, then it deleted forever unless you have saved the worksheet in your PC. So the next method to delete a sheet is just going to the home tab and clicking on this delete option, and there is a option called delete sheet in this drop down menu. Click on that and the sheet will be deleted. So the last one is to use a keyboard shortcut. The shortcut is to press Alt H, D and S. So those are the few methods to delete sheets in your Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you in the next video.